Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, brothers and sisters. So I just came from Somalia to England, and there's this game called Moviestarplanet.co.uk. So I decided to make account and dress hijab, mashallah, everything. And I'm going to tell people to come to Islam or else they get in trouble by Allah, Muhammad, peace be upon him, everyone like that. So we're gonna start. My name on this game is Somalian Lady because I'm proud of where I come from and I want everybody to know. Somalian Lady not rich status update. I'm going to say, what am I doing? Uh, what is this? Oh, I have to enter my birthday. So I'm going to say that I am sitting on my bed because that is what I'm doing. And it is number one rule to always be honest. So we're going to find some people, some odd people. What is this? Is she joking? Why is she naked? I could just say, hello, put clothes on. Question mark. I think she's joking, so I'm just going to laugh. She's not even got a top on. This is very revealing outfit. In Islam, you're meant to cover head from toe if you're female. Yes, you. I'm going to be very nice about it because I don't want to hurt people's feelings, but Islam is the only way to go in this country. Oh, this bad spelling. If she was Muslim, she would know how to spell. Islam needs you, my sister. Oh, what is this man covering my chat bubble? I'm moving to side. Don't ever dance in Islam. Dancing is haram. Why is she saying question mark? Let's read her status update. I'm atheist. Stop. I can't believe I said that out loud. Me love watch films and love me watch. What is this? She can't even speak English. My English better than her. I'm sorry I laugh, but English my second language. And she this bad at English. Makes me laugh. It makes me see how far I have come from my country. In Somalia, we speak Somalian, not English. Why is she dancing half naked? Ya Allah, my eyes. Astaghfirullah. Wallahi, this girl. I don't know what to say at this point. I shall be like, please stop dancing. It is against my religion. I found a Muslim patrol. What is she on? My hair is covered. I don't know what she's on. Salam. Sister. Sister. Oh, I can't move. Salam. How are you, my sister? Haram, stupid. Ya Allah. Astaghfirullah. Don't say that. Ya Allah. Wallahi, Allah is watching you. This is very bad. Come here, okay. Hey. He's talking to a half-naked lady. Ya Allah. Astaghfirullah. Hey, Hearty. Ya Allah. This makes me feel very sad. In my country, you do this. You don't wear proper clothes. He tell her off. But he has ripped jeans on and is in t-shirt. This is hypocritical. Islam does not teach this. Sir, you are half naked as well. I don't know if that's true. You need to put more clothes on, Arthur. Oh no, Arthur, Marcus. Marcus, where is your topi and abaya? Naughty boy. He not. Ya Allah. Oh, Lemon called me pretty. Thank you, Lemon sister. Oh, she's changing her outfit anyways. So yeah, in Islam, you can't tell people what to do if you're not doing yourself. This man, Marcus, he should be in abaya and topi, but he's not. What is this WAP? What is WAP? Check. What is WAP? I said certified freak 7 days a week. What is this? Wet ass pussy make that float game week. Yeah, with some fucking wet ass pussy. Bring a bucket and a mop to this wet ass pussy. Why they always talk about cats in songs, you know? Very weird. Oh, mashallah, he's in a bio. Mashallah. Oh, mashallah. Mashallah, brother. Mashallah. Mashallah, brother. You look very good. This is perfect example of good Muslim. Marcus wearing abaya, no topi, but it's okay, I'll let him off. Let's go over here. Thank you, sister. Oh, mashallah. I want to add this boy. He's very nice. He's a very sweet boy. Oh, he's so popular. He can't have any more friends. Stupid. Oh, what are these gays on the floor? Mashallah. Gays, you know. You can tell he's gay. What's his name? NJ0005. Bro, shut up before I kick you down some stairs. But that's just not very nice. Gosh. Well, I'm going to walk across. Oh, yeah, lad. Why you hit my outie? What? What is her picture? She's very ugly, but I'm not going to say anything. You're beautiful. As Allah says in the Quran, always be kind. Smiling is contagious. Alright, thank you. You too. Please, no lesbians. Oh, astaghfirullah, my job! My job, sister. I'm so sorry. I don't know why it isn't in my picture. Yalla, please make hijab show in my picture. Please. I feel like harami. Gosh. I'm not your sister. Maybe she is brother. Brother? I don't even know you. I'm a girl. You are my sister? In Islam. Now I explained to YouTube, in Islam we are all related. Whether you're blood related or not, everybody is your brother and sister because everybody comes from Adam and Eve, alhamdulillah. I am not in Islam. Please will you convert? Come to my room. I teach you. So we're going to convert somebody today because I think she wants to be converted. Just going to have a sip of my water. Bismillah. I don't want. Well, I'm going to invite her anyway because I feel like I'm doing sadaqah, you know? So I'm I need to add her. I don't think why she not to come out. Let me send her a friend request. She looks a bit like Kylie Jenner, you know? In Somalia, no one look like this. Why you send friend request? Please accept, sister. I would like her to accept. She's taking her time to respond, you know. I know, like, I follow you know like atheist. I know your sister. Sister, please add me. Please. She takes a long time to reply, and I don't think she's coming to my room. But it's kind of hurt my feelings. Let me invite Marcus. He's very annoying. I just want her to accept my request. So, oh wait, did she accept? Let me check. Oh, she accepted. My name is Bella. Okay, Sister Bella. Come to my room. I have invited. Hopefully she turns up because, you know, Somalian lady's room. I don't even want to convert her sometimes. I just want to talk to her. Maybe tell her to wear more modest clothing. But what is this? I hope she turns up in nice. Yalla. Sister, you must cover up. Why is she in knickers? What is this? Please wear hijab. I know this is so much to ask, but if you wear hijab and the rest of your body is no clothing, it's okay. Because your hair is your beauty only. No, sister. Well, that's going to shock me, so because I'm shocked, I'm going to put the shocked animations first. Then I'm going to go. Oh, scary, scary. Let's get out of here. Scary. Okay, so I think my Islam teaching day is over for now. As a Somalian lady, I'm a bit, scared. So is there hard enough? My God, you scared me. I laugh because my mother scared me. Anyways, I missed you. Shut up. No, I must go. Bye bye from Somalian lady.